and I run Verte, which is a clothes swapping company, and we're here today in the Truman Brewery doing a pop-up. So the way that the swap works is that people can bring in up to 5 items of clothing. You then get tokens based on the brand of those items and the condition that they're in, and then you just go shopping using your tokens instead of money. So I started Verte in 2019, but only more recently this year I have taken it as a full-time job, and I now run events every few weeks and pop up all over London. I started Verte as well because I wanted to help people get clothes in a more sustainable way and also still enable people to have that physical shopping experience of secondhand. So it's somewhere between, it's a level up from a charity shop, but it's not necessarily like fast fashion on the high street. And it's really important for me to help people get clothes in a more sustainable way. My next event after today is going to be in Soho on the 27th of January, and we're going to be in the House of St Barnabas, which is a members club in Soho.